What's up everyone and welcome to the channel. Want to fly around the world, stay in luxury hotels, or take weekend getaways, all without spending a dime? Yeah, I'm talking about traveling for free. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use credit card rewards to do just that. Travel for free in 2025. It's called travel hacking. And it works. Like this video, hit subscribe, and let's turn your spending into free flights. Let's dive in. So, let's break this down. Credit card rewards are basically incentives that banks offer to encourage you to use their cards. Every time you swipe your card, you earn points, miles, or cash back, depending on the card and its rewards program. The most common rewards are airline miles, hotel points, and flexible travel points. Airline miles can be redeemed for flights, upgrades, and lounge access. Hotel points let you earn free nights and perks at your favorite hotel chains. Flexible travel points can be redeemed for flights, hotels, rental cars, and sometimes even transferred to other loyalty programs. Not all credit cards are created equal. Some offer amazing rewards rates on specific categories like dining or travel. The key is to find a card that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals. We'll dive deeper into the best cards in just a bit, but first, let's talk about how to squeeze every last drop of value out of those rewards. Okay, so you've got your eye on a few cards, but how do you actually maximize your rewards and start booking those free trips? It all comes down to strategy. The first rule of travel hacking: always pay your balance in full and on time. The interest rates on credit cards will wipe out any rewards you earn. Sign-up bonuses are the holy grail of travel hacking. Many cards offer huge chunks of points or miles just for signing up and meeting a minimum spending requirement within the first few months. Look for cards with category bonuses. Little reward multipliers for specific spending categories like groceries, gas, dining, and travel. The more you can align your spending with these categories, the faster your points will rack up. Put everything on your card: groceries, gas, bills, even your Netflix subscription. Track your spending like a hawk to hit those minimum spending requirements for sign-up bonuses faster and earn more rewards overall. Be disciplined and smart about your spending. Chapter 3. Best Cards in 2025. Your ticket to free travel. Which cards are going to give you the biggest bang for your buck in 2025? Here are a few standout options. First up, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Registered Trademark Card. It offers a killer sign-up bonus, currently insert current sign-up bonus here, after you spend insert current spending requirement here, on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. Plus, you earn 2 times points on travel and dining worldwide, and 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. Next, the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. It comes with a hefty annual fee, but the perks more than make up for it. A $300 annual travel credit, airport lounge access, and a 10,000-mile anniversary bonus. For a no annual fee option, the Chase Freedom Unlimited Registered Trademark is fantastic, offering unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. These are just a few of the many amazing travel rewards cards out there. Do your research, compare cards, and find the ones that best fit your needs. Chapter 4. Booking your free travel, mastering the redemption game. You've earned all these points and miles, now what? It's time to turn those rewards into unforgettable travel experiences. Familiarize yourself with the different ways to redeem your rewards. You can typically redeem points or miles directly through the airline or hotel's website, but you'll often get the most value by transferring your points to a partner program or booking through a travel portal like Chase Ultimate Rewards Registered Trademark or the Capital One Travel Portal. Transferring points to partner programs opens up a world of possibilities. Travel portals offer a centralized platform to book flights, hotels, rental cars, and more. Use tools like Award Hacker or Point.me to find the best redemption rates. Be flexible with your travel dates and destinations to find those incredible award availability sweet spots. The more flexible you are, the more likely you are to find those incredible deals. Chapter 5. Conclusion plus tips. Travel hacking like a pro. Let's recap. Use the right travel rewards cards, earn those juicy sign-up bonuses, pay for everything with your card, always pay in full, and redeem smart to travel the world for free. Don't get caught up in the points and miles game and forget about your financial health. This strategy only works if you're disciplined and financially responsible. Never spend more than you can afford just to chase rewards. Be patient. Travel hacking takes time and effort. Have fun with it. Travel hacking can be incredibly rewarding, both literally and figuratively, so get out there, explore the world, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Let's recap. Use the right travel rewards cards. Earn those juicy sign-up bonuses, pay for everything with your card, always pay in full, and redeem smart to travel the world for free. Don't fall into debt. This strategy only works if you're disciplined and financially responsible. Drop a comment. Have you ever used points to travel free? What's your favorite travel hacking tip? Like this video, subscribe for more smart money tips, and let's hack the system together.